Hello friends, today I am going to make bookmark, and for that I have taken this paper. This paper is 300 GSM paper, so it is thick and good for the acrylic color painting. I am using this flat brush of number 8. You can use any flat brush you have and just dip it in the water little bit. Water should not drip, and we'll start like this. Little bit of water, color. Let it dry for some time. Once it is completely dried, now you can make some flowers like this. Now I am going to use this brush, which is 00, to paint these beautiful flowers. So just a little bit dip in the water. You don't need to dip it very much, just a little bit. Take some red color. Now clean your brush again. Again I am using this 00 brush, and now I am going to use the color green for the leaves. So take some green color. So I am using this green color. This is sap green. Take little bit of green color. Some yellow color. So I am using lemon yellow color. So this is again I am using one of the dotting tool. You can write any quote you like. Anything you like, you can write. I will use this rounder to make a hole like this. Now tie it like this. As you can see, now this bookmark is ready. Hope you like it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.